Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to learn lesson 2, the choices we make of EVS for class 5. In this chapter, the main points are qualities of family members, likes and dislikes, appreciation, disabled people. Anis studies in class 5. Today, a health inspection is scheduled in his school. In the school, the doctor measured the height and weight and noted it on a card. Anis was made to stand against a pole marked with height scale. He measured 3 feet 8 inches tall. Since 1 foot has 12 inches, he is 44 inches tall. He went home and checked the record of the previous years. He realized that his height increased every year. His father explained, our cells keep growing in number. As our age increases, our height and weight increases accordingly. Human beings grow up to the age of 19 or 20 years. A scale is used for measuring the length of an object. Observe the picture of the scale given below. On one side of the scale, the divisions are big. They indicate the measurement in inch. On the other side, the small division indicate the measurement in centimeter. You have to find who is the tallest boy or girl in your class, who is the shortest in your family, who has the loudest voice at home. Anis family. Anis family has four members, he, his parents, and his young sister. The members of a family differ from each other. However, they may share some common likes and dislikes. Some have good cooking skills, while some are of a humorous nature. Some may have good handwriting, while some may sing or dance well. We must always appreciate and follow good qualities and skills of our family members. Appreciation. When a person performs well in singing, acting, studying, or any other activity, we praise him or her. It is called appreciation. Senses pick up the message and the person performs the work better than before. A word of appreciation can bring out the best in people. A word of appreciation is the most powerful gift of kindness you can give to another person. Some expressions of appreciation. Congratulations for coming first in the class. You have done well. Thanks for the help. I did well because of you. You look good today. You have dressed up well. How does a baby communicate? People communicate and express their views and needs by talking to each other. They may smile and talk politely or loudly. Sometimes they use facial or hand expressions for communication. Just imagine how a baby communicates. He can neither speak nor use his gestures. A baby cries when he needs something or when he is tired or unwell. Baby also laugh, snuggle, fuss, and shout to get noticed. Likes and dislikes. All of us are different and so are our likes and dislikes. Children generally do not like darkness. Babies may feel scared on seeing an insect or people wearing glasses or people having long beards. You may like strawberry ice cream, but your friend may like chocolate flavor. Your friend may prefer North Indian food in a restaurant while you may opt for a South Indian menu. You may like a smell while your friend may be unable to tolerate it. Rohit likes the smell of eggs, meat, and fish because he belongs to a non-vegetarian family. However, his friend Prasant is a vegetarian and does not like those smells. Our likes and dislikes depend on the place where we live. Our family culture and traditions also plays an important role. We must respect other people's food habits, though they may be different from that of ours. Specially gifted. You would have seen children and adults who are not able to walk, hear, or understand. These people are not able to function normally like us. They are called disabled people. People with physical deformities are called physically challenged. People with mental disorders are called mentally challenged. Today we refer them as differently abled, specially challenged, or specially gifted people. The support given to the disabled to carry on life is the best way is called rehabilitations. Rehabilitations of physically disabled includes providing surgical assistance, artificial legs, calipers, wheelchairs, and crutches. They are then taught how to use these new aids. Some children are unable to speak because they cannot hear. Dumb children below 5 years of age are given speech therapy that includes the learning the sign language and lip reading. Some improve their hearing with the help of hearing aids. Rehabilitation of the blind involves reading and writing the braille and performing household work without sight. They can also taught different vocational skills like music, dance, candle making, and other crafts. Some are provided with visual aids to improve their sight. Helen Keller. The story of Helen Keller proves that the people with disabilities can also do well in life. Helen became deaf and blind at the age of 19 months due to some illness. In the beginning, Helen felt really sad, but she could neither see nor talk. But her father was a wise man. He appointed a teacher named Annie Sullivan to teach her. Annie was a good teacher. Annie taught Helen how to use her senses to learn. She helped Helen to touch, taste, feel, and understand the object. Annie taught her to read by writing on Helen's palm. Annie also taught Helen to touch a speaker's lips so as to understand what was being said. Then Helen learned to read and write in Braille. Helen also studied in the college. She was the first person to achieve graduation in the deaf and blind category. Being sensitive. As a part of the modern society, it is our duty to be sensitive towards the disabled. Do not make fun of them. We must make sure that they are treated as equal. We should provide them with basic facilities. There are ramps at the railway stations, shopping malls, and other public buildings for the wheelchairs. On television, broadcast of special news is made for the deaf and dumb. Government provides training and suitable jobs to the disabled. The low floor buses are also beneficial for the physically challenged people. Now students come to the exercise question. Question number A. Tick the correct option. Number 1. Human beings grow at the age of A. 17 to 18 years, B. 19 to 20 years, C. 30 to 31 years. Answer is B. 19 to 20 years. The babies, question number 2, the babies get themselves noticed by A. Talking, dancing, and C. That is crying. C is the correct answer, crying. Question number 3, the people who are not able to function normally are called A. Fit, B. Disabled, C. Healthy. B is the correct answer, disabled. Question number 4. At public places, a sloping surface made for wheelchair to pass is called A. Ramp, B. Stairs, C. Fence. A. Ramp is the correct answer. B. Fill in the blanks will be your homework. Now come to the question number C. Answer the following question. Question number 1 is defined appreciation. Come to the page number 13. Second last paragraph, appreciation heading. When a person performs well in singing, acting, studying, or any other activity, we praise him or her. It is called appreciation. Page number 13. Second last paragraph, appreciation. From when to appreciation. Question number 2. How does a baby communicate? Page number 14. Second paragraph, how does a baby communicate? First, second, third, fourth, fifth line. He can. You have to write a baby can. He, instead of he, you can write a baby can neither speak nor use his gestures. A baby cries when he needs something or when he is tired or unwell. Now question number 3. What all influence our likes and dislikes? Come to the page number 14. Second last line. Our family culture and tradition. Page number 14, second last line. Our family culture and traditions influence our likes and dislikes. From the question you have to write. Question number 4. Who are called disabled people? Page number 15. Specially gifted heading. First line. Children and adults who are not able to walk, hear, see, or understand, these people are not able to function normally like us. They are called disabled people. Question number 5. What is rehabilitation? Come to the page number 15. Second paragraph. The support given to the disabled to carry on life is the best way is called rehabilitation. Question number 6. How did Helen learn to read and write? Page number 16. Second line. Annie was a good teacher. Annie taught Helen to use her senses up to Braille. Question number 7. How can we be sensitive towards disabled? Page number 16. Being sensitive, third line. We should provide them with basic facilities, and 4 points are given in page number 16. There are ramps at the railway stations, shopping malls, and other public buildings for the wheelchairs. On television, broadcast of special news is made for the deaf and dumb. Government provides training and suitable jobs to the disabled. The low-floor buses are also beneficial for the physically challenged people. Question number D. Write true or false. First one. We should appreciate others when they do something wrong. False. All of us have different likes and dislikes. True. Third, a person with long beard can scare a baby. True. Fourth, vegetarian people enjoy the smell of non-vegetarian food. False. Fifth, low-floor buses are beneficial for the physically challenged. It is true. Thank you and have a nice day.